Yo, what's up, fam? If you're trying to pack on muscle, you already know it's not just about lifting heavy, what you eat matters just as much. Today I'm dropping my top 5 muscle-building meals that are packed with protein, loaded with nutrients, and super easy to make. Let's get those gains. Start your day with power: scrambled eggs, oats, Greek yogurt, and berries. Here's the breakdown. 3 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites. Half a cup oats with a scoop of protein. Half a cup Greek yogurt. Handful of blueberries and a drizzle of honey. Grilled chicken and quinoa power plate. Perfect for lunch or post-workout. 150g grilled chicken breast. 1 cup cooked quinoa. Steamed broccoli and bell peppers. Drizzle with olive oil or tahini for those healthy fat. High-protein pasta bowl. Craving carbs? Here's a muscle-friendly pasta meal. Whole wheat or chickpea pasta. Lean ground beef or turkey. Homemade tomato sauce. Grated parmesan plus spinach for extra iron. Tuna wrap or burrito bowl. Quick, cheap, and packed with protein. 1 can tuna in olive oil. Whole wheat tortilla or rice bowl base. Black beans, corn, avocado, salsa. Squeeze of lime for that extra kick. Muscle gainer smoothie, great as a snack or post-workout shake. Show ingredients as you list them. 1 banana. 1 scoop whey protein. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. 1 cup oats. 1 cup milk, or almond milk. Ice plus optional honey or cocoa. Alright, those are my top 5 meals for serious muscle gains. Remember, consistency is key: lift hard, eat smart, sleep well, and your body will thank you.